KFC Key Franchise Information. Series Franchise Business: The Guide to Franchises. Goals, mission, and vision of KFC. KFC, or Kentucky Fried Chicken, is one of the most recognizable fast food brands in the world. The brand specializes in fried chicken prepared using a unique recipe of 11 herbs and spices. The company was founded in 1952 by Harlan Sanders, known as Colonel Sanders. Its mission is to deliver delicious meals at affordable prices, and its vision is to spread love for fried chicken worldwide. Today, KFC has over 26,000 restaurants in more than 150 countries, generating profits through product sales, franchise fees, and operational support for franchisees. Are you wondering if a KFC franchise is the right choice? In this video, you'll discover everything from initial cost to the business model, benefits, and challenges of investing in the KFC brand. 1. How does a KFC franchise work? Learn about the business model. Key information. Franchise model. KFC operates as a franchise system, where local restaurants are run by individual entrepreneurs following the brand's standards. Fee structure. Franchisees pay a one-time initial fee of $4,000 to $5,000 and annual licensing fees of 5% of gross revenue, as well as marketing fees of 5%. Support from KFC. The brand provides initial and ongoing training, operational support, and access to global marketing campaigns.
Anecdote. Colonel Sanders began developing his brand by traveling across the USA in the 1950s and presenting his unique fried chicken recipe to restaurant owners. This story became the foundation of KFC's success.
2. Entry costs for KFC. How much does it cost and what earnings can you achieve? Key information. Initial costs. Total initial costs range from $1,350,000 to $2,700,000. These include the licensing fee $4,000 to $5,000, restaurant construction, equipment, inventory purchases, and employee training. Potential earnings. The average annual revenue for a KFC restaurant ranges from $1,200,000 to $2,200,000, depending on location and management efficiency.
Anecdote. The first KFC restaurant outside the USA opened in 1965 in Canada. This demonstrates how quickly the brand began to conquer the world.
3. Step-by-step how to register a KFC franchise and how long does it take? Key information. Registration process. Filling out the application form, undergoing interviews, and financial verification of the candidate. Documentation required. Proof of net worth of $1,500,000 and liquid assets of $750,000. Timeline. The registration process and restaurant preparation take 6 to 12 months.
Anecdote. Harlan Sanders spent a decade running a roadside motel, where he served chicken in the adjacent restaurant. It was there that the idea to expand the KFC brand was born.
4. Taxes and fees in KFC. What do you need to know before starting? Key information. Income tax. Franchise earnings are federally taxed at rates between 10% and 37% of annual gross revenue. Property taxes range from 1% to 5% of annual gross revenue and cover property taxes for restaurant spaces. State and local taxes range from 1% to 3% of annual gross revenue and include sales tax, use tax, and other fees for permits. Licensing fees account for 0.5% 1% of annual gross revenue and include rights to use the brand and access to technical support and training materials. Training costs are included in licensing fees. Marketing fees total 5% of annual gross revenue and fund global marketing campaigns and local promotions.
Anecdote: KFC invests millions of dollars annually in marketing campaigns, such as its finger-licking good, which is recognized by almost everyone.
5. Hiring employees in KFC. How many do you need and what are the training costs? Key information: number of employees. A standard KFC restaurant requires 20 to 30 employees, depending on size and hours of operation. Training costs. Training costs per employee range from $500 to $1,000, included in licensing fees. Training systems. KFC offers a comprehensive onboarding program and online training accessible to all employees.
Anecdote: KFC created the Chicken University Training Academy to ensure the highest standards of service and product preparation.
6. KFC operational costs. What expenses will you face daily? Key information: ingredients and resources. Costs for ingredients, such as chicken, meat, and spices, range from $20,000 to $30,000 monthly. Salaries and benefits. Monthly payroll costs for employees range from $15,000 to $25,000. Rent and utilities. Average monthly rent for a restaurant space ranges from $7,000 to $15,000, with utility bills from $2,000 to $4,000. Insurance for premises. Insurance costs for damages and accidents range from $500 to $2,000 monthly. Maintenance and repairs. Monthly maintenance expenses range from $1,000 to $3,000. Licensing and marketing fees. These fees total $8,000 to $13,000 monthly.
Anecdote: in some KFC locations, innovative kitchen robots were introduced to help prepare chicken and reduce operational costs.
7. Training and support. How does KFC help its franchisees? Key information: initial training. A 2-week intensive onboarding program for new franchisees. Operational support. 247 access to operational consultants and technical help. E-learning platform. Advanced online courses available to owners and employees. Marketing. Nationwide and local campaigns that help attract customers to restaurants.
Anecdote: in 2019, KFC launched a loyalty app that became a huge success in the USA, attracting millions of users.
Loving the video? Make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and share your thoughts in the comments. 8. Franchise inspections in KFC. What are the requirements and what to expect? Key information: external inspections. Regular health and safety inspections conducted by local and state institutions to ensure compliance with regulations. Internal inspections. KFC conducts audits for quality, operational standards, and compliance with brand guidelines. Frequency. Inspections are carried out quarterly to maintain the highest operational standards and meet customer and investor expectations.
Anecdote: one of the KFC restaurants in Singapore was awarded by city authorities for exceptionally high hygiene and safety standards, inspiring other locations worldwide to raise their norms.
9. Profitability of KFC. Is it really a profitable business? Key information. Profitability. Average profit margins range between 10% and 20%, making KFC one of the more profitable franchise models. Return on investment (ROI). Investment costs are typically recovered within 6-8 years of opening a location. Success factors. Key elements include location, effective team management, and executing successful marketing campaigns.
Anecdote. In 2021, one of the oldest KFC locations in the United States achieved record-breaking profits, proving that a well-managed restaurant can be successful even after decades of operation.
10. KFC in the market. How is the brand doing today? Key information. Market position. KFC is a global leader in the fast food industry, with over 26,000 locations in more than 150 countries. Growth and expansion. The brand invests in development in emerging markets like India and Brazil, as well as in order automation through mobile apps and self-service kiosks. Challenges. KFC faces growing competition from brands like Chick-fil-A and Popeyes, which offer similar products. However, thanks to its unique recipe and strong loyalty campaigns, KFC maintains its leadership position. Forecasts. In the future, KFC plans to expand its menu with healthier options and introduce technological innovations to meet the needs of new generations of customers.
Anecdote. In 2020, KFC launched its first plant-based chicken product, which garnered massive interest from customers in the USA and opened a new chapter in the brand's history.
11. Pros and cons of a KFC franchise. What you need to know before deciding. Key information. Pros. Recognizable brand, strong global presence, and customer loyalty. Operational support, access to advanced training and marketing resources. High demand, steady popularity of fried chicken across demographics. Cons. High initial costs, investments ranging from $1,350,000 to $1,700,000 may be a barrier for new entrepreneurs. Intense competition. The fast food market is saturated with many strong players. Operational requirements, strict adherence to brand standards.
Anecdote. In 2019, one KFC franchisee in the USA invested in a unique retro-style decor inspired by the 1950s, attracting crowds of customers and increasing revenue by 30% in the first year of operation.
12. How to choose a profitable franchise and avoid mistakes. Key information. Market research. Conduct thorough analysis of competitors, demographics, and local customer needs. Financial assessment. Check your financial capability and prepare a backup plan for unexpected expenses. Consultations with experts. Seek advice from franchise consultants and discussions with current KFC franchise owners. Support evaluation. Ensure the franchisor provides solid operational and marketing support. Franchise agreement analysis. Carefully review every point of the agreement to avoid potential issues in the future.
Anecdote. One of the most successful KFC franchisees in California made the investment decision after detailed market research that included vehicle traffic analysis. The results. Revenues exceeded $3 million annually.
Conclusion: is the KFC franchise right for you? A KFC franchise is an excellent option for individuals with management experience or strong motivation to start their own business. Although financial and operational requirements are high, potential profits and support from the brand make it a worthwhile investment. KFC offers a proven business model, global recognition, and access to advanced training and marketing tools. For both new and experienced entrepreneurs, a KFC franchise can open doors to success in the food industry. The key is choosing the right location, effectively managing the team, and fully committing to maintaining brand standards. With stable product demand and innovations in technology, KFC remains one of the market leaders. If you dream of running your own business with solid operational and marketing support, a KFC franchise might be just for you. The future belongs to the brave, and KFC is ready to be your partner in achieving your business goals. Bibliography. Franchise Times. Franchise Business Review. Franchise World. Franchising for Dummies. In the next episode of Franchise Business, the Guide to Franchises. Burger King. Is Burger King a good choice for you? With our guide, you have all the necessary information to make an informed decision. Good luck on your franchise adventure. Thank you for watching. If you like the subject matter of this channel, please subscribe, like, and comment. I wish you a day full of success.